Oh no!
Are you also running against time while solving unseen passes question in your paper? Or do you have enough time but don't know what to write? Well, these papers can be extremely tricky at a glance, and it can be hard for students to spot the answers hidden in the passage because of the way it's structured. Well, if you're one of those students who struggle with these questions, you have to worry no more. I, your host, Tracy Malak, am here with 5 tricks to help you crack the mystery of an unseen passage. Trick number 1. Skip reading the passage. I know it sounds surprising, but trust me, reading without any context is just going to eat up your examination time. So, you better move to trick number 2. Trick number 3. Survey the questions provided in the text. Trick number 3. Look for keywords in the text that were mentioned in the question. Trick number 4. Identify the type of question. It can be word meaning question, a direct answer question, or an analytical one. You need to know what you are dealing with. Trick number 5. Before you look at the options, revisit the passage and try to find your own answer. Let's understand these tricks with an example. You have an unseen passage on your screen. Now, for this passage, let's solve the questions one by one. Where did Mrs. Hilton live? Since the question is where, it is asking me about a place. If I go back to the passage, I am going to look for the names of places in it. Now, look at line 1 instead. I found my answer. A grey wooden house seems to be the setting of the passage. Probably, whatever happens in the passage happens in the proximity of the grey wooden house. It is given to me directly in the passage. So, our answer is grey wooden house. Question number 2. Line 2, paragraph 4. What is meant by grey in green? This question mentions a specific portion of the text. I need to refer to line 2, paragraph 4. So, let's go there. As you see, there I have a specific answer being mentioned. Answer: the green of the mango tree, the grey of the house. Question number 3. Choose the correct synonym for the underlined word. Nobody in the street knew Miss Hilton. So, this question is asking us for a synonym of a word given in a sentence. Here, start by reading the sentence and try to understand the meaning of the word in it. I know knew is the past tense of know, which means to be aware of something. So I try to make my own answer first, and now let's look at the options. Ignore, neglect, notice. The word ignore and neglect means the opposite of knowing someone. But notice means something closer to the word know. That means our correct answer is notice. Question number 3. Who is the narrator of the passage? This one is an analytical question, which is talking about the entire passage. Here, you need to find the voice of the narrator. Who is the I in the story? Now is the time to give the passage a quick read. Now, in paragraph 5 and 6, we can see again and again that the narrator is playing cricket. The keywords are cricket balls and too much noise. These indicate the narrator is a young child who likes to play cricket. Answer: the narrator is a child. Here's the question for you. Which phrases contain repetition? The grey of the house and the grey of the high iron fence. She pretty, but he ugly like hell. When I think of a house, I see just 2 colors. What do you think is the answer to this question? Comment down below. Well, that's all for today. I hope these tricks will help you a lot in the future. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Letstute.